So now that we've familiarized you with WordPress and the differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org, we can talk about how to install WordPress on your own domain. The first thing you'll need before you can install WordPress is a web hosting provider. After you have a web hosting provider, you'll need to install WordPress to your web server. This can be done manually or through the use of one-click WordPress install, which is offered by many web hosting providers. Because of the complicated nature of manually installing WordPress, which I'll go over in just a little bit, we recommend using the one-click install method. For example, Doteasy offers a one-click WordPress install with all hosting plans. I'll now show you how to manually install WordPress without the use of the one-click install method. The first thing you'll do is head to WordPress.org and download WordPress. Next, create a new database for WordPress. You'll need a database because WordPress doesn't store content in files. Creating a database using Doteasy as an example is done through the cPanel's MySQL databases. Now that we have a database created, we'll go into our zip download file from WordPress and find the file called wp-config-sample.php. We also suggest renaming the file to just wp-config.php. Open this file and enter the database info into this file using any text editor program, such as Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Once this is done, upload all of these files, including your newly updated wp-config.php file, to your web server using an FTP client. Finally, open your web browser to view your website. It will show you a WordPress install page and you'll be prompted to complete the final steps. You're now done, but pretty complicated, huh? With Doteasy, you're able to easily use the one-click install method to do all of this for you. From your Doteasy member zone, you can choose to access the cPanel, and from there, make your way to the Softaculous Apps Installer section where you'll find an icon that says WordPress. Click it, and then press Install Now. You'll be prompted to fill out a few pieces of information regarding your site. You'll see the screen has options that need to be filled out before WordPress can be used. Starting off, we have the Choose Domain option, where we can choose what domain to use for the install. Next is the In Directory section. Here, you can install WordPress in a specific folder within your domain name. For example, if I used blog instead of WP, the website address will be www.sampledomain.com/blog. I'll leave it blank. After that's all done, you're done. Much simpler, right? With Doteasy, you can easily make your website with WordPress using our one-click method. Now we'll head over to our WordPress page using our domain name. So we have www.sampledomain.com. And to get to our WordPress login URL, we can put in www.sampledomain.com/wp-admin. And this will take us to the WordPress dashboard. And that was just a brief overview of installing WordPress on your web server. If you have any more questions, stay tuned for our next videos. Thanks for watching.